Two-factor authentication not working on Plus App Fix. If you're trying to log into your Plus trading app and your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, this happens more often than you think. Most people assume their account has been locked, but the real cause is often a small technical issue that can be fixed in minutes. First, check your phone's time settings. Go to your settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication depends on exact timing. If your device clock is even a few seconds off from Plus's server, your code won't work. Next, make sure your Plus app is up to date. Open your App Store and install any available updates. Older versions can lose compatibility with the latest authentication methods. Once updated, restart your phone and try logging in again. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and look for sync time for codes. Tap it to make sure your codes are aligned with the correct time. If you rely on SMS verification and the code isn't arriving, turn off your ABN and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some networks or VPN routes block automated text messages used for verification. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall the Plus app. This resets any cached data or corrupted files that could be interfering with your connection. Then, log back in and re-enable your authentication method. If you've changed phones or deleted your authenticator, select Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen. Thus, the support team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Once your time, app, and network settings are fixed, your two-factor authentication should work normally again. Remember, these security codes aren't just a login step. They are your first line of defense against unauthorized access, helping to protect every trade and every dollar in your Plus account.